lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. Can we all agree that 2025 is going to be the year we ace school? Whether you're starting a new grade, heading to college, or just looking for ways to level up your school game, I've got you covered. Today, I'm spilling all the tea on how to ace school in 2025, and no, it's not just about grinding 24/7. We're going to make it fun, aesthetic, and totally you. So grab your cutest notebook because class is in session. Organize like a pro. Step 1, babe. Get your life together. A cute planner or a digital app is your BFF. Write down everything. Assignments, tests, exams, and even your self-care days. Because rest day is just as important as study for math quiz. Oh, and don't forget to use your phone's calendar app for reminders and set them early so you're never caught off guard. Create a study routine you actually love. Next is studying. But we're not doing those boring, stressful cramming sessions this time. Turn on your desk lamp, make your favorite drink, and create an aesthetic study space that feels like a safe haven. Trust me, when your study space looks this good, you'll actually want to spend time there. And remember, study in chunks, take breaks, and reward yourself after each session. Know your learning style. Are you a visual learner? Or maybe a write everything down 10 times learner? Try experimenting with different methods and find what works best for you. And remember to use cute highlighters when studying. Pink for key points, yellow for definitions, and blue for, I have no clue what this means, but it's probably important. Leverage tools to elevate your academic writing. Alright, let's talk about a game changer for all my essay writers out there. In 2025, acing school isn't just about what you study, but how you present your ideas. That's where UPass.ai comes in. It's a tool designed to rewrite AI-generated content so effectively that it mimics human writing, making it super hard to detect. The beauty of this tool is it keeps the original meaning intact while ensuring your work is 100% original and plagiarism-free. And here's the best part. It bypasses almost all AI detectors, like GPT-0 and the rest. Not only that, but it also comes with a built-in AI checker that shows you exactly how human your content looks. And guess what? It consistently hits 100% human-written results. Imagine submitting essays with that kind of confidence. Using tools like this doesn't just save time, it levels up your academic game while keeping everything authentic. So, if you want to work smarter and not harder in 2025, definitely check it out. Plus, it's free to start. Romanticize your school life. Make your school life something to look forward to. Instead of dragging yourself through the routine, start treating it like a fun, exciting chapter of your life. Start by waking up a little earlier to enjoy a quiet breakfast. Put on your favorite playlist, wear outfits that make you feel confident, and pack your bag with all the essentials. And don't forget to approach each day with a positive mindset. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There's no shame in asking questions. If you don't understand something, then speak up. Teachers love it when you engage, and it shows you care about your learning. And if the teacher doesn't explain it well, there's always YouTube, Google, and your genius friend who somehow knows everything. Take cute notes. When it comes to note-taking, make it aesthetic. Use gel pens, highlighters, and make your notes look so good you'll actually want to review them. And don't stress about perfection. It's all about having fun with it. Your notebook should be so pretty that people will start asking, "Can I copy your notes?" Balance study and fun. Acing school doesn't mean locking yourself in your room all day. Learn to balance everything. Schedule time for your family, friends, or even time to watch my videos guilt-free. Because what's the point of good grades if you're too stressed to enjoy them? And remember, self-care days are 100% part of the success plan. Join study groups. Studying with friends makes it less boring and more productive. Just make sure your group isn't all vibes and no work. Set goals, take turns explaining each subject, and quiz each other. Don't forget to reward yourselves after because snack breaks hits different when you're with your besties. Take care of your mind and body. Exercise isn't just for fitness, it boosts your brain power too. Even a quick 10-minute stretch or walk can help you focus better. And don't forget to hydrate, eat, and sleep. Your body and mind need fuel to function. Believe you can do it. Confidence is your secret weapon. Even if a subject feels impossible, remind yourself you've got this. Because honestly, you're smarter and more capable than you think. 2025 is the year we shine both inside and outside the classroom. That wraps up my top 10 tips to ace school in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your study buddies. See you in my next video. Bye.